The next thing is we've understood that we have a smart device, IoT, and robotics. So now, what is a robotic? All these things are interrelated. There is such a thing. The robotics are machines that can move. Remember, most of the devices we already know. Smart device takes a normal device and converts it to be smart in the sense that it can now, any device, any normal device you already have before, that you can be converted. You add a sensor to it. It can now think, and it can now what? It can now execute an action. It's a smart device. Then all these devices, when they are connected to the internet, so that it can be controlled from any part of the world remotely through the internet, it's called an IoT. That's Internet of Things. Then the next thing we now have is these robotics now are machines that can execute motions. It means they can move around and execute things, and they still obey the same principle. Which is what the principle of smart devices, which is it should sense, it should think, and it should act. So that's just the thing. So that you can just take robots as a moving smart device, simple, as a moving what smart device. No, this same robot can be connected to the internet, and then that's it. So example of a robot is a drone, a robotic arms, vacuum robot, and so on and so forth. So all these robots is very common. It's very common. And when we talk of robotics, which we are going to be creating in the program, it simply means developing your own machine that could work, that can make some motions, relative, and think before it takes actions. So we have a lot of robots presently now, and that is it.